Hello and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I bring you this rather fun little story of a police woman in Nigeria being promoted. So I read, popular beautiful policewoman Uju Okeke shares photos of her promotion decoration. If there is one person killing it at life, it is the beautiful police officer Uju Okeke, who has found love on social media for being strong and for serving the country wholeheartedly. In Nigeria, many people believe that the force is reserved for men because of the demands of the job, but these days, many gorgeous women are bold and going out there to serve the country with all their heart and might. Not only do these women deserve respect and support, they also inspire many other young girls who dream to serve their country, Nigeria. Recently, one popular female police officer, Uju Okeke, got promoted to the next level of commander, and she celebrated the feat by posing in her uniform and showing off her beauty and elegance. The story then goes on to show images of this police officer on her Instagram page. Some of the comments, it doesn't actually show the comments. Nigerian popular online female officer Uju Okeke shares beautiful pictures in police uniform as she gets promotion to the next level in command, OPG. So that's this police officer, Uju Okeke. So I'm going straight to Nigeria, to where her jurisdiction is, to commit a crime so I can get arrested by this very beautiful police officer. So congratulations to Uju Okeke. A fun little story, as I said. The girls are doing it for themselves, or the sisters are doing it for themselves. She's quite striking, as you can see from the pictures. She's doing quite well in her career. So another fun, positive story of a Nigerian doing well, this time in Nigeria. So congratulations to you, madam. I hope you do well, and please, whatever you do, don't turn into waiting you carry. Open your boots, show me the color of your dollar. I'm sure you are one of those, because it's inevitable. But then whatever you do, do it well. But don't take bribe. Don't do that one well. But congratulations. Okay, a fun little story, as I said, one for you to enjoy. We carry on. The officer, what's her name again? Uju Okeke, or Uju Okeke. So however you choose to pronounce it, she is doing well. Let's celebrate her in the comment section. But before we go celebrate her in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a video. Once you've done both, come join me in the comment section where we can cheer this young lady. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you there, as I say, peace.